In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage notifications for employees in QuickBooks Time using a laptop. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what each setting does, and how to tailor alerts so your team gets what they need without being overwhelmed. Start by signing into your QuickBooks Time account on your laptop. Use your preferred web browser, and make sure you're logged in with a role that has permission to edit company settings. If you're not seeing the options described in this video, you may need administrator access or to check with whoever manages your account. Once you're in, look to the left navigation menu and click Company Settings. This is the control center for how your QuickBooks Time account behaves, including what messages go out to employees and when. Next, scroll down until you find Notifications and click it. This section groups together the types of alerts the system can send, so you can decide what's essential for your team's workflow and what can be turned off. Now choose the categories you want to manage. Common examples include time entries, time off, and approvals. Time entries relate to punching in and out and reminders about hours. Time off covers requests, approvals, and schedule changes that affect leave. Approvals typically notify managers and employees about timesheets that need a sign-off or have been approved or rejected. Think about the purpose of each category. Do you want employees nudged to submit times at the end of the day, or is a weekly reminder enough? Should managers receive immediate alerts when time off is requested, or will a daily summary suffice? Keeping only the most actionable notifications on helps reduce noise while maintaining accountability. Within each category, toggle the settings on or off for employees. Turning a toggle on means employees will receive that notification. Turning it off silences it. Consider the balance between compliance and clarity. For example, enable alerts that prevent missing payroll deadlines, and consider disabling repetitive reminders that don't drive action. Consistency is key. Set the same standards across teams unless you have a clear reason not to. When you're finished adjusting, make sure to save your changes to apply the new notification settings. Look for the Save button in the Notifications area so your updates stick. A quick refresh after saving can confirm everything is set the way you want. That's it. Log in, open company settings, go to Notifications, choose your categories, toggle what employees should receive, and save. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for